Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. In this video, I'm just going to show you how to add a banner to your Twitch. So if this video does help you out today, then please leave a like and drop a comment below. And if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So in order to do this, what you want to do is open up a new internet browser. And you want to come across to Twitch first of all. So twitch.tv. And then if you're not already, you just want to go ahead and log into your account. So you see, if I click onto my profile and come down to channel, if you've not got a custom banner added, it's just basically going to have your username sort of like spammed on the background. But if you want to go ahead and change this, then what you can do is come and click onto your profile icon and then come down to settings. And then what you're going to want to do from here is make sure you're clicked onto profile. So if you look underneath settings at the top, you've got some options here and you want to make sure you're on profile. And you'll see the second one down, you've actually got profile banner. So what you want to do is click onto update here. And just to note that this can only accept a maximum of 10 megabytes and the recommended size is 1200 by 480. File format it accepts is a JPEG, a PNG or a GIF file. So what you want to do is click the update button and then what you can do from here is just drag and drop the photo, or you can click the plus button and have a look on your PC. So I'm just going to use this one as an example, which is the same one as my YouTube banner. And you'll see it just takes a moment to go through, and as long as it meets the criteria, so that it's no bigger than 10 megabytes, it's the right file size, etc, etc, that's going to successfully add it to your profile. So if I now come back to my channel, what you're going to see is that the profile banner has now been added in the background there. So that's how you do it, and I hope you did find that helpful. If that did help out today, then please leave a like and drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there is a link in the video description down below. If you go and give that a click, you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.